1. Sum. The sum function is the first must-know formula in Excel. It usually aggregates values from a selection of columns or rows from your selected range. Average. The average function should remind you of simple averages of data such as the average number of shareholders in a given shareholding pool. Count. The count function counts all cells in a given range that contains only numeric values. Counta. Like the count function, Counta counts all cells in a given range. However, it counts all cells regardless of type. That is, unlike count that relies on only numerics, it also counts dates, times, strings, logical values, errors, empty string, or text. If. The if function is often used when you want to sort your data according to a given logic. The best part of the if formula is that you can embed formulas and function in it. Trim. The trim function makes sure your functions do not return errors due to unearly spaces. It ensures that all empty spaces are eliminated. Unlike other functions that can operate on a range of cells, trim only operates on a single cell. Therefore, it comes with the downside of adding duplicated data in your spreadsheet. Max and min. The max and min functions help in finding the maximum number and the minimum number in a pool of values.